We are back on the new build today. We're going to try and wrap up all of the exterior block work. This morning, first things first, we sent up the block work over there. And now we have just set up all of our profiles to pull this wall in. The reason we're using profiles is because I've got to do a 2-brick pillar here, and I don't know whether or not I'll be able to keep up with Jake pulling this line up. So we've just gone for a profile right there, and we've already got a corner set over there. But rather than just pin in and disturb the corner because it's still quite green, I've just put a profile up it and then just using a dory block. Now we've got some windows to set out here, but they are in the kitchen, so they go at 1050. I tell you what, actually mate, I actually need to remove both of these blocks. If you set it out at 4 blocks high, yeah, so just plumb up. Stand, so this wall to pull up, and then that wall over there, and my 2-brick pillar. Found out it was me. I said, darling, how do you like to live dangerous? I think you and me could take a little time. We could sail the seas and get wilder. We could get a little wilder. Take some clothes, but leave our phones. It's better with someone than it is alone. Let's get wilder. We could get a little wilder than we are. Let's leave our phones and tell nobody. It's so windy today, and I've just had a weather warning saying that we've got a thunderstorm coming in a little bit with high winds. So we've gone round propping everything just like we did yesterday. We've had a new window, what wasn't on the drawing, come in here, which is quite nice because it's a nice big window for the kitchen, but it's made it hard for us. It's made it hard for us because I've got an expansion joint right there. So I've basically got a 2-block pillar and a 2.5-block pillar there. So you can imagine how wobbly it is, hence all the prop in here. We sent up this pillar. This went up swimmingly for saying it's an engineering brick pillar, and it's like, it's not quite 2 bricks the way it works. So that's a bit annoying, but that went up really quick. These engineering bricks are actually really dry. So we're gonna have a steel sat there, and another steel sat here, but on the drawing it doesn't specify having a brick pillar. So I don't know why we need one over there. We're gonna finish this block work, and then after that we're gonna be dropping on the internals. Now with the wind being so high today, I think we're only gonna be able to send it up like 4 courses, maybe 5 at a push, and then we'll have to finish it all off tomorrow. But fingers crossed, by Friday, all the block work boxed off. We're looking pretty good. We've got all of the external walls now straight up. We've had another delivery of blocks. We've got probably 6.5, 7 packs in here now, and we are going to start setting out all of the middle walls. So I reckon we're in for a tiny bit of a slow afternoon. Now, coming close, I'm going to show you my sick profile setup. So what I've done, and this is a really good method, I've snapped up a pallet and just drove in some screws to like anchor this straight back. And I tell you what, it's not going too far. It's not going too far. So I've got my dory block on there. We're going to pull this all the way through. This is a cavity wall because above it's going to be stonework, and then we just need to set out everywhere. So yeah, a little bit of setting out, and hopefully we'll make a big dent in some of the blocks. So let's get stuck in. Just taking my measurements, and I'll show you where I'm actually working on the drawing itself so you can figure out where we're. So we have this little nib here, which is a 315. It comes out 315 from this wall here. That's why we have our ties there. Then we've got this door opening, which I've just set. And then we've got our block work, and then a 9-10 door coming off this cavity wall here. So that's what I've set out. That point there to over there is a door. And in between all of that is block work. Got 9-10 there. So that's going to be our new door opening. So we're going to get stuck in and start building this up now. We've got a tray detail We can either put it here if we wanted to, but just to keep everything the same, I'm going to put it on top of the first course and lap it down. That's just for the visqueen to attach onto and also the radon barrier. So, get stuck in. Nice. So, my walls, yeah, good lad. If not,
where's it coming to?
How's that start? Probably there, that's cool. Okay. Nice. Cool. Thank you. Standard. Go on.
100mm damp on top of...
Well, no, I don't even think it's 100mm damp. I'm going to put the full tray.
Okay, sound.
So you can actually cut that if you want, like get it rolled out, ready to rock and roll. What'd you say? Well, you don't want to rock the boat, does he? What a boy. It's gonna work a full. Oh, it works a full. Hang your short skirt out, like only like a few inches, but then again, it's 600mm anyway, isn't it? So. So professional. Nice. There we go. As long as it's coming down a bit, that's pretty nice, because I'll be able to hit 150mm cavity plus the overlap on the other stuff. Nice. I'll get this laid. Could you just find me some half? Free here, I've got a hump. A running commentary there. Absolutely marvellous. That just perfectly laid directly to the line. Don't even need a little tap. So good. A little bit low, that one. What do you say? Got me mint all the time. Tell you what, I'm not relaying it. Too heavy. Look at that. Holy moly. So we've just sent this up 7 courses. Reason why, or the reason I can do that, is because I knew it's got to be backed in. I did put a profile on this side and a spine to support it. Now we're going to set out this wall here. I also just started racking this corner back to support this, because I knew I was going to be sending it up. I'll get 1 clamp there. That to me about there, so just hold the profile and the level. What you want?
Towards me.
It's not by touch. I'll give it a touch. That's perfect. Spin it around this way. Oh wow.
Bang on.
Perfect. Okay, corner block. That was very easy.
Yes. Quicker than I thought it was.
God, we're so good. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Sound. Let go there. That should work if we tighten up our perps. I should have that. Got it. Really nice stuff, Jake. No, that's good then. Perfect. Well, it's, what time are we on? 2:30. Man, you new watch. 2:30. So that will probably be our last mix. I did say today that I'd do that block work around the garage. We're not going to concrete this weekend, are we? So I might do it tomorrow. Or I might pull in a bit of a Sunday shift.
Is it?
Yeah. Half a day on Sunday. Just get it done. Ooh, working Saturday and Sunday. Oh, he loves it. I just love brickwork. Oh, yes, please. And oh God, I need to make sure I'm well rested for my half marathon. I might do that half marathon with a couple of blocks on my shoulder. I'm actually quite excited to get back to the gym.
Yeah.
Well, not excited, but just have a bit of, you know, just 3 days a week.
Yeah,
Nothing mental, but it shouldn't take long to get my body back, or to get full again, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because what I like to do is work dead hard all day and then go lift weights after.
Yeah.
And then if I've not worked hard, at least go for a massive run, just smash my body to bits.
Yeah, that's it.
Got it.
Such a weird noise.
Yeah. Coming in. Oh, that's nice. Really nice.
I saw you under a tall pine tree. Had your head up in the clouds, reading Agatha Christie with an ice cold drink sitting at your feet. You did not need me then, but I said, darling, how'd you like to
Another
get
day
down?
done. Dream team. At it. Me, Jake and Jake. Boys, we have obviously set out all of the stuff over there today. That 2-brick pillar I spoke about earlier. Sent up this bit of internal block work, and then we started on the middle walls. Obviously we sent this one up 5, got it propped, it's not too bad, and sent this one up 7 courses in total. Again, obviously with it being a cavity wall, it's got ties, so it's not really going to go anywhere. Everything's propped because we're meant to have a storm tonight, so fingers crossed everything here is tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, Friday, I'm wanting all the middle walls to 8 courses or 9 courses, so that should pretty much wrap up all of the block work, fingers crossed tomorrow. So we will catch you then. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in a little bit.